Hello friends, myself Subhash Nagarse from Sri Digambar Jain Gurukul High School, Solapur. I shall welcome to all of you in this session of 10th Standard Science and Technology Part 1st. In this session, we are going to discuss on the question bank prepared by the SCRT. The topics are 3 and 4. Solve the following questions. Let us start with that. Question number 2B, which includes solve the following questions, 2 mark each. Number 16. Friends, in the previous video, we have been discussed on topic number 1 and 2, the 15 solve the following questions type. Now we will start with 16. Explain the factors affecting the rate of chemical reactions with example. The factors that affect the rate of chemical reactions are as follows. Nature of the reactants, nature or reactivity of reactants influences the rate of chemical reaction. For example, aluminum is more reactive than zinc. Therefore, the rate of reaction of aluminum with hydrochloric acid is higher than that of zinc. Size of the particles of the reactants. Smaller the size of the reactant particles, higher is the rate of reaction. For example, when hydrochloric acid is added to pieces of the Shahabadi tiles, the carbon dioxide differences is formed slowly. However, when HCl is added to Shahabad powder, the carbon dioxide difference is formed at a faster rate. Concentration of the reactants. The rate of chemical reaction increases with increase in the concentration of the reactants. Dilute HCl reacts slowly with calcium carbonate, that is CaCO3, whereas concentrated HCl reacts rapidly with CaCO3. Temperature of the reaction. Higher the temperature, faster is the rate of chemical reaction. For example, the temperature of the refrigerator is low, so the rate of decomposition of this perishable foodstuffs is low and it remains fresh for a longer time. Catalyst. Presence of catalyst increases the rate of chemical reactions. For example, the decomposition of hydrogen peroxide into water and oxygen takes place slowly at room temperature. However, the same reaction occurs at a faster rate on adding manganese dioxide powder in it. Next question. What are reactants and products? Explain with the help of examples. Reactant. The substances taking part in the chemical reaction are called reactants. For example, formation of carbon dioxide gas is combustion of coal in air is chemical reaction. In this reaction, this coal, that is a carbon, and oxygen from the air are the reactants, while carbon dioxide is the product. Now. The substances formed as a result of chemical reaction by the formation of new bonds are called products. For example, decomposition of this calcium carbonate by heating to form calcium oxide and carbon dioxide is chemical reaction. In this reaction, calcium carbonate is the reactant while calcium oxide and carbon dioxide are the products. Next question. Explain the following reaction with their balanced chemical equation. And the reaction in words is ammonia gas reacts with hydrogen chloride, first one. Second, hydrogen sulfide reacts with the sulfur dioxide. So friends, the answer could be first one, when ammonia gas reacts with the hydrogen chloride. Ammonia gas and hydrogen chloride gas react to form the salt ammonia chloride. It is a combination reaction. It could be written as NH3 in the gaseous state, that is ammonia, plus HCl, that is hydrogen chloride gas, that gives you NH4Cl in solid state, ammonium chloride. The second reaction is hydrogen sulfide and sulfur dioxide react to form the sulfur and water. It is a redox reaction. That is SO2 in the gaseous state, sulfur dioxide, plus 3H2S, that is in the gaseous state, hydrogen sulfide. Here 3 is the coefficient in order to balance the chemical reaction. Gives you 3S, sulfur in the solid state, plus 2H2O in the liquid state, water. Next question. Classify the following reactions into exothermic and endothermic reactions. Magnesium ribbon, when burned in air, it forms a magnesium oxide. It is an exothermic reaction. That is, it is given out. Second, HCl plus NaOH gives you NaCl plus H2O plus heat. Plus heat is there, means it is an exothermic reaction. Third, 2KClO3 after application of the heat gives you 2KCl plus 3O2. It is the endothermic reaction. Heat is taken. CaO plus H2O gives you CaOH twice plus heat. It is an exothermic reaction. CaCO2 application of that gives you CaO plus CO2. It is an endothermic reaction. Next, distinguish between direct current and alternating current. Direct current and alternating current, two columns. So first difference is magnitude of the direct current from a source remains same, that is non-oscillatory. Alternating current varies in magnitude continuously, that is oscillatory. Direction of this direct current remains same. Direction of reverses periodically, that is after equal intervals of time. This type of current is not used much for household purposes but used in batteries and torches. This type of current is used in electrical household appliances such as electric heater, refrigerator, electric current, etc. Frequency of this DC is 0 and frequency of this AC is India, it is 50 Hz. That is, its cycle changes in 1/50 second. Direct current produced by DC generator and this is produced by AC generator. These are the 5 distinct points between these two. How does the short circuit form? What is its effect? The household electrical connections mainly consist of live, neutral and earth wires. The potential difference between live and neutral wire is around 220 volt. Sometimes due to the fault in the electrical appliances or damage of the insulating coating around the two wires, that is neutral and live, the two wires come in contact with each other and large current flows through the circuit, causing short circuit. Large amount of heat is produced due to the flow of this large current. Any inflammable material like wood, plastic, cloth, etc. present around the short circuited place can catch the fire. Write the Fleming's right hand rule and left hand rule. Number 1. Fleming's right hand rule. Fleming's right hand rule can be stated as stretch the forefinger, the middle finger and the thumb of the right hand such that they are mutually perpendicular to each other. If the forefinger indicates the direction of the magnetic field, thumb indicates the direction of the motion of the conductor, then the middle finger indicates the direction of the induced current in the conductor. Fleming's left hand rule. Stretch the index finger, the middle finger and the thumb of your left hand mutually perpendicular to each other. If the index finger is in the direction of the magnetic field and the middle finger points in the direction of the current, then the thumb will point towards the direction of the force on the conductor. What is the electric motor? Which appliances do we use it? Electric motor is a device that converts the electrical energy into mechanical energy. Appliances that uses electric motor are dryers, vacuum cleaners, fans, air conditioners, refrigerators, freezers, etc. Name the two appliances which work on the phenomenon of magnetic effect of electric current. Number 1. Ammeter, microphone, electric bell, galvanometer, loudspeaker, electric generator, electric motor, telephone, receiver, radio, stereo, speaker, etc. are the appliances that are working on the phenomenon of magnetic effect of electric current. Name any two appliances which works on the phenomenon of heating effect of electric current. Fuse wire, electric fan, electric bulb, electric cooker and geyser are some of the appliances which works on the phenomenon of heating effect of electric current. Explain the right hand thumb rule with the help of diagram. Friends, here you could see the diagram and here the statement. If a current carrying straight conductor is held in your right hand such that the thumb points towards the direction of the current, then the curled fingers around the conductor will give the direction of the magnetic field. Your thumb is pointing upward in the direction of the current, where these 4 curled fingers give you the direction of the magnetic field. Explain the importance of fuse wire. Means, in short, you can write uses of this fuse wire. Fuses is an important application of the heating effect of electric current used in the electric circuits. It protects the circuits and appliances by stopping the flow of any excess electric current. If a current larger than the specific value flows through the circuit, the temperature of the fuse wire increases. This melts the fuse wire and breaks the circuit. In summer season, when consumption of the electrical power is used in the evening due to the home lighting, fan, air conditioners, uses of electricity in shops, etc., an excessive current is drawn from the transformer. If the capacity of the transformer is insufficient, its fuse wire melts and the supply gets shut down. Friends, I think all these questions that we have discussed, you understood. Friends, in the next video, we'll discuss with the remaining, solve the following questions from the remaining chapters. Thank you for watching this video. We will meet soon with the next video. Till that,